Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment on this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. Today's video is an Ulta haul. And the first item that I am going to show you is a cute little gift set that they were offering around the holidays, and it has like the to and from tag. Cute little velvet bow, and I'm not going to open this, and I'll explain why at some point during the video, probably in the middle. And this is like a little snow globe. It's, you know, probably plastic with a base, and it has a whipped vanilla cream body wash, a whipped vanilla cream body lotion, and then it has a bath fizz in the back. And this was on their website, I think initially for $10, and it was on sale, so I picked that up. So we'll put that off to the side. The next item which I purchased is another one of their Ulta collections. And this is the Travel Light 37-piece collection. It is listed here for $29.99 with a $150 value. And I paid just a little bit under $15 for this. It's a nice, you know, leather-like, I'm sure it's not leather, bag with a handle. And it does unzip. So it has two zips. I'm going to unzip it. And we're going to open it up. We're going to put it down here and open it up. Let me pull this out. Oops. Okay. So, hopefully you guys can see that. So, I'll just pick that up a little bit. And this is because this is black. It's very difficult. There are two zippers here. So, you have a zipped pocket here that you could put makeup items in. There is another zip pocket here, and it does come over a little bit to the side. And whenever you buy any Ulta Beauty collection, you always get a $5 off any Ulta Beauty brand cosmetic or brush purchase of $15 or more. And that was inside this zip pocket. So we'll zip this back up. And then we'll just put this down here. So this section here, you know, flips up, and it is Velcro. It does Velcro down to the center so that this can detach. And on the back side is a place for your brushes. You know, so you put your brush, oh, I'm sorry. We'll come down through the loop into the pocket. Hold your brush. And obviously if they were a little bit longer, or you just move it up. So then this little plastic cover will cover the top of your brush. This way your makeup kit does not get dirty. Trying to think if I have a longer brush. I mean, I will just show you on a non makeup brush. This is an artist brush, and you would put it in there. And this one obviously is too big. But I think you get the point. So you would put it under the clip. And then if your brushes are dirty, which, you know, if you're away and using them, this way you don't have to clean them, you just put them back in, put the flap down, and this way then you're not transferring, you know, all the makeup and stuff. So like I said, this Velcros down to the center right here. And then here, there is a zip. And in here is a plastic holder. So let's bring this out. And this, like I said, was Velcroed right there. So that's secure. So then in here, and I will pop all this out, you have a beautiful kit. And on the back, gives you all of the names of the shadows. And it does just open like that. And it doesn't come with a, I don't think it comes, this kit comes with any brushes. I don't believe so. So here are all of the shades. And I'm not going to touch any of these, and I'll let you know why in just a moment. So that is in here. Then you have lip liner pencil, and this side is clay. This side is mauve. You have an eyeliner pencil, and this side is dark brown, and this side is black. You have a shiny liquid lipstick. Both of these. Let me see if we can get colors. Let me see if I can take. So it's like, one looks like more like the mauve, and then one looks more like, or the clay and the mauve probably to match that. So that was on this side. Okay, let's just get all this back in here so that we can keep everything in its proper place. Okay, and before I start this side, just want to give you a little bit of information here. Let me pull this back so you can see everything. What I'm going to do is a lot of, I enjoy buying these Ulta collection kits from Ulta.com. By the time I order it, it comes to my home a week and a half later. I film it and post the video on YouTube. I would say 9 times out of 10, you guys can no longer make this purchase because they've sold out. It was a holiday item. A lot of people, jump on these kits, right away on the website. So I do suggest if you ever go on their website and you see something like this and they're, $15 or $20, a lot of times they're 15 and under, to go ahead and make the purchase because these eyeshadows are very nice. The glosses, the liners, and so forth, blushes. So in order to be fair to all you guys, since I have done quite a few of these and then you haven't been able to get them, that what I'm going to do is I'm going to post down in the description a link to Gleam so that you can enter to win this kit and then to win this snow globe with the 2 body wash lotion and the bath fizz in it. That's why I'm not touching anything, swatching it, or anything, because I'm going to be sending it out to one of you. The key is I am not going to list it in the description, in the title, that this is a giveaway. So you truly, I'm just curious, who's truly watching my videos and watching them all the way through? So this is probably about the halfway mark. And so there'll be a Gleam link, and all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. I'm not going to make you do any other steps. I just don't find it's necessary. This is my YouTube channel. So all I ask is that you be, and according with Gleam, that you be subscribed to my channel. Obviously that you like this video and leave me a comment. And in the comment to enter, just tell me something that you're looking forward to in this year for 2019, since this year is just starting. I'm going to leave this video up for 2 weeks. So then I will close it after 2 weeks. And then I will have Gleam pick a winner. I will notify you with Gleam. It attaches your social media, your email, your YouTube, so forth, so that I can get in touch with you. Or in the comment below, when you state what you're looking forward to this year, you can leave me how to get in touch with you. Either way, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to be giving this away as basically a secret little giveaway. So then on this side, it unzips, and then this whole side comes out. A little difficult to get it out, but once you get it out. These are, I love these little kits. I just think that they are pretty neat. And that's obviously you're not going to leave it in this plastic, and you can stick whatever you want. So that's a big, I would say that's probably a good inch deep. Okay. So then in here you have a nice, cute little headband to be able to, push back if you're doing your makeup or your skincare. And I'm not going to take all these items out. In here, you have a cute little container that has cotton swabs in it. You have 2 little cute, one is like gold, bronzy, and one is silver glitter. And I do think that these are hair bands, if I'm not mistaken, hair ties. And then here you have the Ulta Beauty Poreless Face Primer. And then here, I do believe this is their blush, bronze, and highlighter. So there's that. And this, correct, is there. I'm just trying to make sure you guys can see. Brush, bronze, and highlighters. And I'll just open it up here without touching it. These, they're not easy to get open sometimes. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to be careful not to touch. And they should have included a brush, but they didn't. But you would never want a small brush like that anyway. So you have, you know, your highlighters. And one is more like champagne. This one's a little bit lighter. Here's your two blushes. And then here's, you know, like a shimmer bronzer. You could use that for highlighter. You could use that for an eyeshadow. And here's a bronzer. But these are all great to use as eyeshadows also. You know, these two highlighters are probably not too bad. I have used some of the kits that I have, and which I like about these is their own little like palettes, versus some of them were in these type things. So I had to get Z palettes from Ulta, and I popped them all out and stuck them in there so that I could use them just because for ease of use. But so I think that they're, you know, they're not the best. They're not, you know, a high-end shadow or blushes, but I prefer that they go on lighter so that I can build instead of it going on so dark. And once it's so dark, it's really difficult to try to lighten up. You wind up having to remove it and reapply. So some of these are highly pigmented, and some of them you have to, you know, do, you know, a couple times to get the shade that you desire. But like I said, I'm fine with that. And doing beauty on a budget for $15, you're getting a primer, you're getting your bronzer, your blush, and your highlighters. You're getting lip products, a lip liner, you're getting eyeliner in 2 shades. Plus you're getting a palette that has, you know, purples and browns and blues and teals and some pinks and some neutrals. You do have a few in there that could be a transition shade. A lot of them look like they're shimmers. But, you know, this is almost a complete face. You throw in a concealer and a foundation, and you basically, and maybe a brow product if you use, you know, brow products. And you basically have your whole face included in this kit. So, like I said, this is going to be a secret giveaway that is not going to be out there marked as a giveaway, so that whoever watches this video is going to be able to enter for this giveaway. So like I said, I will be using Gleam on this just because I've been having some issues with people not actually being subscribed and entering the giveaway. And then I'm having to go through and see if they've subscribed. Their settings are listed as private, so I have no idea if they've actually subscribed or not. I've had to exclude one person for my 250 subscriber giveaway because I could not see that they were subscribed. And I'm noticing on my 500 subscriber giveaway that there are a few people that I can't see in my subscriber list that they're subscribed. So if I'd mentioned it in a previous video, if they, you know, can't correct that, then I'm going to have to exclude them from the giveaway. I need you guys to be subscribed. It's important to me that you subscribe to my channel and we form a little community here so that I can continue to do things like this. So this obviously is going to still be open to U.S. residents only, or you must have a U.S. address that I can mail to. There's just still no way that I can do any kind of international shipping. I mailed my 250 giveaway out, you know, a week ago, you know, and that was, you know, that was close to $14 just to mail that box. This is not going to be as heavy, but if I had to mail this international, I've mailed international boxes before, you know, $60, $70, $80. That is not in my budget currently. Once I can get to, you know, 1,000 subscribers and have the watch time that's needed to monetize my channel, and start bringing in, you know, AdSense money to the channel, it's all going to be going right back into my channel, that I can purchase more items and do more giveaways. I would like to at least do 1 or 2 giveaways a month when I get to that point. I've already have a box full of items for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. That is going to have a designer handbag, some techie products. It's going to obviously have some beauty products and some makeup included in that also. But I keep on, as I'm getting a lot of my boxes or see things, you know, making a purchase, and I'm just putting it in the box and putting it away for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So let's get to 500 subscribers and get that giveaway won and given to somebody, and then we can move forward. So I have what I think are large milestones being a small channel, but, to other channels that are larger, these milestones of 250, 500, and 1,000 are really nothing. But they're difficult to achieve because everybody basically is fighting for subscribers in the beauty genre. But, I'm trying my best and trying to put out good videos so that everybody enjoys them. And I'm trying to do little giveaways like this so that I can give back to everybody that is watching and following me. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to find the Gleam link in my description box below and enter for this giveaway. And you can still enter for the 500 subscriber giveaway. It has nothing to do with this. This is a complete separate giveaway. So I'll be running two pretty much simultaneously. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.